If you're driving to your destination, mask up at the gas station and pack your meals ahead of time so you don't have to stop at restaurants along the way. Any overnight guests should stow their bags away from common areas as soon as they arrive and wash their hands immediately. If it's an extended stay, wash masks and clothes separately from the rest of the household. This includes college students returning home from campus. People from different households should wear masks inside and outside anytime they are not actively eating or drinking. And make sure to screen yourself and guests for COVID symptoms. It's not a bad idea to have a designated room for quarantining in case someone starts to feel sick.